with Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going to go check out the largest liquor store in the Pacific Northwest United States. First up, we're going to do a shout out. I'm going to do a shout out for Cooking Secrets for Men. Make sure you go over and tell Charlie Chappie sent ya. So that's Cooking Secrets for Men. It's a great channel. He also has a website, cookingsecretsformen.com. A lot of great recipes over there. So I'm going to make a drink in Charlie's honor. I understand he used to be a bartender. So the name of this drink is called Thank God I'm 21. So it's a very simple shooter. I'm just going to do a little bit of Irish cream. And then I'm going to attempt to layer it. We'll see how that goes. And this is just a coffee liqueur. Okay, not a very successful job of layering it. As the cartoon fish says, sorry Charlie, I know you're a bartender, you used to be a bartender, but I'm going to finish it off with some whipped cream. Going to finish it off with some whipped cream. And that's a Thank God I'm 21 shooter. Coming up next, we're going to Missoula, Montana. And then after that, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake. I'm going to make a Polynesian Pepperpot, and I'm going to do an Italian Antipasto plate. So check it out. Today for our cocktail, we're going to make a Polynesian Pepperpot. So I'm just going to build it over ice. I got a cocktail glass here. A little bit of ice. And we're going to go 1½ ounces of vodka. And 1½ ounces of rum. And we'll do about 3 or 4 ounces of pineapple juice. And this is where the pepper part comes in. I'm gonna do 4 dashes of hot sauce. And I'm gonna put in just a pinch of tandoori spice. And that's a Polynesian Pepperpot. So coming up for Appies with Chappie by the Lake, we're gonna have this spicy beverage, and I'm gonna put together an Italian antipasto plate, so check it out. All right, I'm just putting together a little Italian antipasto plate. So I got some nice ripe tomatoes. And we're gonna do a little bit of buffalo mozzarella. And some fresh basil. And we'll go a little bit of EVO, extra virgin olive oil. And a little bit of salt. Some people like balsamic vinegar on there, but I like to taste the cheese and the tomatoes. And then this is a nice ripe honeydew melon. And then we got some Italian meats. So we got prosciutto, coppa di Parma, and Genoa salami. So we'll get that on the plate. So the prosciutto is going to go really nice with the melon, the salty and the sweet. And then we got the Genoa salami. And then the Coppa di Parma. And that is my Italian antipasto plate. It's looking real nice. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie, and this is Mookie. And again, special thanks to Charlie over at Cooking Secrets for Men. Go check him out. This is Mookie, and I'm Chappie. And we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar. I think that went well, Mookie.